is the login screen for the project. So I am typing the username and password. Otherwise, you can register here by typing username, password, email address. So I'm back to login. I already have the username and password. I'm logging in which the live chart is coming here, and here it will show the how to use this project that will be displayed here, and here 3 buttons it's showing the navigations. Okay, here I have the set of FAQ in which a rule-based FAQ data. It is prepared in English, Spanish, French, Japanese, Korean, and German. So total. So whatever the question you type, our chatbot will pick up the answer. See, I have typed the question and it's showing the answers. Similarly, I will choose another language, Spanish. So it will give the exact replay. And another language I will choose. I will choose this Korean language. It will give exact reply. So like that, I have prepared nearly about more than 200 questions in 5 different languages, including excluding English. So based on this question, is prepared in JSON format, and whatever the question you have asked the chatbot, that will reveal the answer. This is the answer. I am just inputting the question. You can see it gives the answer. And I have suppose if you want to a query is given that I need appointment, so immediately it will give the appointment URL. If you click that, immediately the book appointment can be booked here. Here you can see all the data which is already prepared. Here you can have the chat history. Chat history, basically what are the chat the users are using it, that will be displayed in chat history. And you can see here chat logs. So just now I just typed all this chat. I was chatting with the chatbot, so that will be displayed here. Thank you very much.